The rainbow. A rainbow is one of the most beautiful things we see in nature. It appears in the sky after it rains. When the sunlight shines through tiny drops of rain, a rainbow is formed. It looks like a big colorful bridge in the sky. The rainbow makes the sky look bright, fresh, and happy. A rainbow has 7 beautiful colors. They are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These colors always come in the same order. Each color is bright and lovely. Together, they make the rainbow look magical and full of wonder. Sometimes we can see a rainbow in the morning, and sometimes in the evening. It depends on the position of the sun and the rain. A rainbow usually appears when the sun is shining and it is still raining a little. It can be seen on the opposite side of the sun. It doesn't stay in the sky for a long time. It appears for a short while and then slowly fades away. That is why people feel happy and excited when they see one. It feels like nature is smiling after a rainy day. Children love to watch the rainbow and count its colors. They feel joy and wonder looking at it. Some children try to draw it in their notebooks. Many poems and songs are written about the rainbow. It gives us hope and reminds us that beauty comes after rain and darkness. The rainbow is like nature's gift to make us smile again. In stories and cartoons, rainbows are shown as magical bridges. Some people believe that there is a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. Though that is not true, it makes the rainbow sound interesting and fun. Artists love to draw rainbows in paintings because they are colorful and full of life. Photographers also love to take pictures of rainbows. They make the world look bright and full of color. Rainbows teach us an important lesson about life. They show that after every storm, there is peace. After every dark cloud, there is light again. Just like the colors of the rainbow, life also has many shades: happiness, sadness, love, and hope. Each color is needed to make the rainbow complete, just like each feeling is needed to make life meaningful. The rainbow is truly one of the most wonderful sights in the sky. It brings peace, joy, and beauty to our hearts. Whenever we see a rainbow, we should stop for a moment and enjoy it. We should smile and thank nature for creating such a beautiful thing. The rainbow reminds us that even after the rain, there is always light and hope waiting for us. Have you ever seen a rainbow after rain? Tell me in comments.